Hello, little learners. Welcome to Little Logic Academy. Today, we are going to learn sight words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Sight word 1, ah. This word is ah. Say it with me. Ah. One more time. Ah. Great job. Sight word 2, the. This word is the. Say it slowly. The. Again. The. Excellent. Sight word 3, is. This word is. Say it with me. Is. One more time. Is. Wonderful. Sight word 4, to. This word is to. Say it together. To. Again. To. You're doing great. Sight word 5, in. This word is in. Say it with me. In. One more time. In. Amazing. Let's read them together. A, the, is, to, in. Great reading. Let's recap today's sight words. A, the, is, to, in. Awesome job. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share Little Logic Academy for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.